Hello students, this is my lecture number 10 of the topic electrochemistry for class 12. This is the continuous lecture from previous lecture 9. In earlier segment we have discussed about the electrochemical cells, and this is the construction of electrochemical cell, Daniell cell or voltaic cell of zinc and copper sulfate solutions. So that when we calculate the standard electrode potential of the cell is equal to E standard cathode minus E standard anode. As we know, the reduction half which acquires the cathode and copper electrode which occupies as cathode, the Cu plus 2 to Cu minus zinc which acquires as anode, and its value is 0.34 minus 0.76, that is 0.34 plus 0.76, 1.10 volt. So that when we apply the electromotive force E applied on the cell reactions, in this case there are three cases arises. Case 1, if E applied is less than 1.10 volt, so flow of current from Cu to Zn and flow of electron from Zn to Cu. Case 2, if E applied is greater than 1.10 volt, so flow of current from Zn to Cu and flow of electron from Cu to Zn. Case 3, if E applied is approximately 1.10 volt, so no predict the direction of current. Now we discuss another example of galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. We can construct the following cell reactions: copper plus silver nitrate, then it convert into copper nitrate plus Ag, 2 mole of Ag. In these cell reactions, copper, there is oxidation half, so that in this case anode which acquires oxidation half due to release of electron, anode goes to copper, and cathode, this is the reduction half, cathode goes to silver, 2 Ag plus 2 electron, then it forms 2 Ag. Cathode, anode which acquires negative charge, cathode which acquires positive charge. This is the cell reaction. Like this one is cathode, copper will dissolve into salt, copper sulfate. This is the salt base, this is agar-agar solutions, K2SO4, KCl. In this case, this one is silver. which can dissolve into silver nitrate, AgNO3 aqueous solutions. So that the cell reaction, which can be write down in this way: copper solid, this is the electrode, single vertical line which expressed as electrode, copper to change into copper sulfate. This is the aqueous ions, double vertical lines which express the salt bridge. In this reaction, Ag plus changes into Ag. This is the electrode, Ag. Copper changes into anode. It means it acquires negative charge. This is the anode reaction. This is the cathode reaction which acquires positive charge. From previous cell reaction of zinc copper sulfate, which can write down in this way: Zn, this is the electrode, this is negative charge, Zn plus 2 aqueous. Double vertical line which expresses the salt base, which then copper plus 2 aqueous changes into copper. This is negative charge, this one acquires positive charge. Now we have to discuss the standard hydrogen electrode, commonly known as SHE. Its full form is a standard hydrogen electrode. SHE behave as reference electrode potential due to single electrode which cannot determine the electrode potential, but two half cell reaction can determine the electrode potential. In hydrogen electrode, in H2 gas electrode, we have take pressure of H2 1 bar and temperature in a standard state, that is 298 Kelvin. In hydrogen platinum, hydrogen is a gas, so that conductance which require the metals, so the platinum, we have take the platinum as a metal electrode. Platinum electrode dissolve in 1 bar pressure at temperature 298 Kelvin, dissolve into 1 molar HCl solutions, and found that reduction potential of hydrogen electrode is E standard H2 PT H plus at 298 Kelvin. Pressure is 1 bar is 0.00 volt. So that hydrogen, which we have as a reference electrode potential, due to one single electrons which cannot be calculated the EMF of the cell. In the construction of hydrogen electrode, in this way, this is the container in which H2 gas 1 bar pressure this is the conduction wall. This is the platinum electrode which dissolve into 1 molar HCl aqueous, and each time, this is the gas, each time it is found to be E standard PT H2 H plus is 0.00 volt. So by this way we can calculate as EMF of the cell reactions in just like in this way. This is the copper electrode. If we calculate, this is the copper electrode, copper which dissolve into copper sulfate aqueous. This is the copper electrode which we connect with negative charge, and this is positive charge, and two electrode which is connected by, this is the short bridge, this is the U-like glass tube in which contains KCl electrolyte, inert electrolytes, and this is connected by voltmeter, so that in this way we can calculate. This is the anode, this is the cathode. In this way we can calculate the EMF of the cell. E standard cell is equal to E standard right minus E standard